I'm still looking for the right agent pa rin kasi.
Okay, got it.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available.
Hello?
Sir, good afternoon po.
Hello, good afternoon, Sir Jong. Pleasure to speak with you. This is Raymart from Mitsubishi Manila Bay.
Yes po, good
Apo.
afternoon po.
Apo, sir, napatawag ako, sir, because I noticed that you are interested in Mitsubishi L300. Tama, Sir Jong?
Yes po.
Apo. Sir Jong, taga saan po sila?
Florida Blanca, Pampanga po.
Okay, nice. So, Florida Blanca, Pampanga. And then yung L300, sir, para saan nyo gagamitin?
For passenger and transportation businesses po saan?
Okay, so basically for business, sir, tama?
Yes po.
Okay, noted, sir. Are you currently employed or full-time business?
Employed po.
Okay.
And with business na rin.
And at the same time, business. Okay, nice. Tapos, sir, sa employment natin, sir, how long na kayo employed?
12 years po.
So, ano po yung business ninyo, sir?
May garage po ako and then perfumes.
Mhm.
Marami po eh. Buy and sell ng kotse tsaka sasakyan ng motor.
Okay, totally understand. Tapos, sir, yung sa business nyo is it comes with permit, tama po?
The only na may permit ako ay yung sari-sari store ko.
Okay. Still existing, I mean, still operating naman, sir, tama?
Yes po.
Opo. Tapos, yung sari-sari store, sir, sorry, how long na nag-ooperate? Ilang years?
More than 20 years na po yung sari-sari store eh.
Okay po. Application, I mean, sa inquiry about L300, nakapag-inquire ka na ba, sir, sa iba?
Honestly, yes. Pero I'm still looking for the right agent pa rin kasi.
Okay, got it, sir. How long na kayo been interested sa L300, sir?
More than 2 weeks na siguro, a week ago.
With regards sa L300, so yung L300 natin, Sir Jong, it's a 2026 year model po, which is the latest model ng L300.
Yes po.
Apo, and also sa promo, so hindi na ako magtataka kung you are already aware with regards sa promo ni L300. So 0 DP po siya and pay after 3 months.
Apo.
Okay, that's subject for bank approval, Sir Jong. And also sa bangko po, just to give you an idea, we have 8 banks po, Sir Jong. Okay, yung 8 banks na yan, sir, iba-iba yan ng promo and iba-iba din po yan ng rates. However, once we proceed an application, sir, syempre, priority natin yung may best deal, which is may 0 DP plus may pay after 3 months.
Yes po.
Oo. And also, sir, with regards sa warranty, no, previously last month po until last year, yung warranty lang kasi na binibigay sa L300 or even sa other unit ng Mitsubishi is 3 years. So, luckily, this February, hopefully, mahabol pa natin yung application kasi this is the last day of application for February promo po. Which is yung warranty nyo, sir, 6 years warranty.
Okay.
Okay, so mas matagal po yung warranty or mas mahaba yung coverage ng sasakyan nyo, which is mas maganda po. Kung sa business nyo gagamitin, sir, walang DP, so makakabelo kayo ng pang monthly at the same time kasi pay after 3 months eh. So 90 days yan, sir, or more. 90 to 100 days yan actually. So makakabelo kayo, sir, ng pang monthly at the same time magagamit nyo muna yung L300. In other words, sa business po, pagkakakitaan nyo na muna bago hulugan.
See. So, right after ng 3 months, dun pala mag-i-start yung payment ko monthly, tama ba?
Correct, sir. So after 90 days yan.
Thank you, sir.
Oo, walang problema, sir. Tapos, sir, sa
Okay
requirement,
po, pinapaprocess ko na yung COE ko.
Apo.
Siguro by Monday or Tuesday, hawak ko na.
okay, got it, sir. Tapos, sir, if you have any assistance needed or clarification or even question, you can call me or message me naman po anytime.
Apo. Anong branch po kasi kayo?
We are located, sir, at Peak Motors, Manila Bay po, Pasay City.
Manila Bay, Pasay
Correct,
City.
sir. Apo.
Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much, sir.
My pleasure, sir. Sige, sir, isend ko sa iyo, sir, yung list of requirements para may template ka kung ano yung kailangan natin i-comply.
Okay po.
Opo. Tapos, application form po na kailangan yung fill out. And once okay na, sir, I can process right away.
Apo. Thank you, sir. Mark.
Okay. Thank you, Sir Jong. Looking forward ako, sir, na ma-assist ko yung personal.
Apo. Salamat.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye po. Ha?
I'm ready then. Hey!
Of course.